Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create this animation in After Effects. So let's get started. Create a composition name is Camp1 and press OK. Select rectangle shape and create shape. Go to proportions and go rectangle path 1 and increase the value. Align in the center. Duplicate them and fill to none. Increase the stroke to 8 pixels and search glow. And drop the effect on it. Increase the glow radius and fill the color and glow intensity. Type update, be patient, and scale down. Duplicate it. Change the position and scale up. And search Update System and change position. %, create values 0%. And you can see this animation awesome. Add position keyframe. Add one more keyframe. And you can see this position a little bit closer. And press F9, go to Graph Editor, create, look like this. And you can see this is so awesome animation, and this is amazing animation and great. Create keyframe. Select all the keyframe and press F9. Go to Graph Editor, Graph, Create, look like this. And you can see this is so awesome animation, and this is amazing animation and great. Select this shape layer and parent with this shape layer. Create a keyframe and scale down. And you can see this is amazing animation. Go to Graph Editor and you can see this is like this one and this one. And select 2 there and cut it. And you can see this is bouncy effect on this box look like this. Go to Graph Editor and you can see this is amazing. Graph look like this. This one and this one. And go to here. And you can see animation is awesome. Shape layer and none to fill PX 0% and fill to white. Increase roundness. Align in the center. And write restart now and fill to black. align in the center, and scale down. And duplicate them and cut it layers. Parent with sharp layer. Press S to scale and press Add to keyframe. And scale a little bit up. I create bouncy animation. And scale down value 0%, and this is bounce animation. Select all the keyframe and press F9. Go to Graph Editor, Create Graph. Look like this, and you can see the speed graph animation. You can see this is amazing animation and how to create loading animation. And you can see this animation is amazing. Create a shape and a line in the center. And increase the roundness value and duplicate them. Swipe with the shape and Ctrl-Shift-D to cut it. Add keyframe and change position. And you can see this loading animation. Search gradient ramp, drag on shape. Select this point and drag here. Select this point, drag here. Color is blue. And you can see this is loading bar animation. This is so awesome and amazing. Go to here, add cursor, and scale down. This is a cursor. Press P for position, press Ctrl-Shift-D for cut it, press P for position, create keyframe, change the position. You can see this is cursor moving animation. Select all the keyframe, press F9, go to Graph Editor, create the graph, look like this. And you can see this is cursor animation. Press D, scale value 0.1. Press Ctrl-C and paste it. Select all the keyframe, press F9, go to Graph Editor. This is click animation. Select the shape layer, add keyframe, go here, fill the color light blue. Go to Effects and presents the search glow, drag on it. This clicking animation. Play animation, Animation is so good. Select all layers. Press Ctrl-Shirt-D. This animation is cutted. Select this Add keyframe. Go here and scale down. Now we add the opacity in all the layers in order to fade out from the screen. Then it will be convert into second dialog box. All the objects disappear from the screen and only shape will remain on the screen. Now we add the text in it. Thanks for watching it. If you want more amazing tutorials, then don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. If you have any questions, then ask me in the comments section.